Alright guys, I'm out here again with the ENGWE. Yeah, I love the name of this, ENGWE. And of course I have to steal the tail light from the Jetson Bolt Pro because this one don't have one. So I have to go get me one of those. And it doesn't have a headlight either. So I'm gonna have to get one of those. But boy, it rides nice, man. I'll tell you what, this thing rides nice, real nice. But anyway, I have to do a battery test on this thing because I got a trip mapped out for the weekend for 6 miles out and 6 miles back. So this sucker better make 12 miles. So I'm gonna drive it around here and see what happens. Test the battery is what I'm doing. We're testing the ENGWE, testing the battery. So I better get, if I don't get these amount of mileage out of this thing as I need to get, I won't be using it, okay? Don't? What's up? Good, man. I'm just taking a summer cruise. Oh, this ENGWE. This ENGWE rides really nice. Now, I'm not gonna run all these miles on here with me talking to you. I'm gonna put it into the high speed that the Insta360 is good for. So we'll just speed our way through it. But this thing right here, I'm gonna tell you what. It's like the Jetson Bolt Pro on steroids. It's just like the Jetson Bolt Pro, but just a lot faster. I mean, I've had this thing over 20 miles an hour. Right? Basically, that's what it is. This seat's pretty comfortable on this thing once you get it set to the right height. Now, the Jetson pedals better than this thing. I will say that for the Jetson. It does pedal better than this. But other than that, this thing's great. Of course, I don't pedal that much, right? I mean, pedaling on this thing, it doesn't seem to do anything, you know. To be honest, I'm going to be straight up honest with you. It doesn't even seem like it affects anything. So, we're just going to have to see. Stop and take a look. Plus I need to raise the seat up again. Okay, so I don't think there's any question that this is going to make this trip. I mean, I don't even have, I still have all the bars on here. Okay, so I went 6.9 miles, and the battery hasn't even, well, yeah, one bar, it's going out here and there. It's not all the way gone. It's goes out and then comes back. So it all depends on how hard I hit the throttle. So, yeah, I don't think there's any doubt that it's going to make it on that trip. So, oh yeah, that's a given. That's a given it's going to make that journey. What's that, 6 miles to that campground, and then 6 miles back, of course, because you always got to look at it that way. You got to come back, okay? There's always the coming back part, okay? And I didn't nurse this at all, okay? Believe me, I was going full throttle the whole time. I wasn't, half throttling it. I was going full throttle as much as I could and no pedaling. This thing here, you can ride with one hand better. It's more stable than the Jetson. It's just a better bike. I mean, it costs more money. It costs a couple $100 more. So, I mean, you got the shocks, and it's just a little bit more of a stable ride, even though it does not pedal as well as the Jetson. The Jetson pedals way better than this. So don't get this for pedaling. It pedals like crap. And you definitely want to get a better seat too. So no doubt about that. So I'm just going to go a little bit more. Because this thing's a lot of fun to ride. It rides really nice, It rides nicer than the Jets. It has a much smoother ride to it because of them front shocks. It takes the bumps and all that a lot better. So you got your Jetsons at $299. That's what I got it for. This was $499. So for $200 extra, you're getting 6 miles an hour more, 7 miles an hour more, and you're getting front shocks, a little bit better build quality. It completely folds in half, like the Electric XP. Yeah, I mean, it's just a better bike, Alright, I'm back with my little battery test on the ENGWE. It made it 8.6 miles. And I still have loads of battery. So, yeah, I'm happy with this thing. It should make this trip no problem.